Hi everyone, Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org here today. We're doing an unboxing from a very fun subscription box called Science Unlocked, and let's find out what's inside. This particular box is called The Dark Side, and it's about space. And let me just set these here so I can see everything that's inside of it. It's actually a full month worth of activities for kids. So this first thing is the getting started. It tells you what the learning goals are and the packing list, so you see what's inside there. You get some things like batteries and chalk and construction paper and LED bulbs. So all kinds of things you'll need for the activities. Here is the teacher guide and a student workbook. So the teacher guide gives you, let's see, the activity. It looks like there are 6 different activities, and it tells you what you're going to be doing, questions to ask the kids and what kind of answers you're looking for, things to reflect on. And then the kids book has, so it's actually a workbook. It tells them what to do, making comparisons, filling out different things, graphing. So you're understanding the night sky, and you're learning about constellations, and there's a drawing. So very neat. Here's questions, people to contact if there's problems. Okay, here's the construction paper that we'll need. And then the other things that included are this really cool star and planet locator. I love this. I'll open that in a second. Let's just see what else. So here's the pine board for one of the activities. This is a piece of piping, and not exactly sure what that is. I'll have to look at that packing list. Here's the brads, the thing for the batteries. And here are the batteries. Next, we've got big pink chalk. There are some crayons and a chance to win a gift certificate. Fun. And I think that might be it. I think the rest of this is just the packing paper. So yes, this is the Dark Side box. So all the things you need are here to teach the lessons to your kids, so you don't have to go searching for the supplies. I love that, because sometimes it's just hard to actually get those projects done or the science experiment done if you don't have the supplies. So I just wanted to look at this teacher's guide again to see what the activities are. So the first one is you're going to observe the unusual traits of the moon. That one takes about 30 minutes. And then systems in the sky, you'll create a miniature Earth, Moon, Sun system. That one takes 2 hours. Predictable patterns, connect the patterns of the sky to the Earth. That one takes 2 hours and 45 minutes. Activity 4 is seasonal stars. Sketch the sky and learn more about the stars that way by mapping the night sky. And then activity 5 is little star. You'll make your own constellation, about 2 hours and 15 minutes. And then activity 6 is keep on watching, use any or all these fun extensions to keep the learning going. And then it has a list of the extensions to do. And that one says it could take 30 minutes, 30 minutes or more. Okay, last thing I wanted to do before we head off here is to look at this really cool star and planet locator. So you pick the month, and then you can turn it to determine what your sky will look like at that time. And then on the back, it tells you where you can see the planets. Like this is August of 2022, so it says I could see Mercury in the evening, Venus in the morning. So that is cool. And then this last little card it tells you how to pronounce the stars and planets. So I will leave a link so you can look at all the different subscription boxes that they have. And these are called Science Unlocked, and it's from Home Science Tools. So be sure to see the link below this video. And thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.